Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to convert a string into an integer without using any library functions. So if we want to convert any string into an integer, so what we generally do, there is a function in the C++ library stoi, that is string to integer, and we can just pass the string to convert it into the integer. For example, there is a string 32. So by using this library function, we can convert 32 string into 32 integer. But what is the logic behind it? Without using library functions, how can we do it? It is an important question which was asked by Microsoft in an interview. So I'll tell you how we can convert a string into an integer. So first of all, the string will be given, and what we can do? We can go and traverse each element in the string, and then we can subtract 0 from it. 0 in the form of string. Because if we subtract anything from 0, the answer will be 0 only. That is the string only. Like if we minus 1 from 0, so the answer is 1. So likewise, if we subtract 1 as a string to 1 to 0, so the answer will be 1 in the form of integer. So this is the logic. And the integer should be between 0 to 9 only. To satisfy this condition, the integer should be between 0 to 9. For example, if we minus 19 from 0, 19 as a string from 0, then the answer will be wrong. Because we have to subtract single digit only, as we are traversing the string one by one. So our answer will never be wrong. Because we are subtracting one integer from the 0 in the form of string. So we will get the correct answer every time. Now I will show you the code. See, I have made a function int convert, and I am taking string as a parameter because we have to convert string into an integer. Then I have made an answer variable and initialize it as 0. I have initialized answer variable as 0, and now I have run the for loop till the length of the string, str's length, because we are traversing one by one each word in the string, because this is a string, so it is a whole word, so we are traversing each word one by one, and then we are checking if the subtraction of the strings one index with the 0 string is greater than 0 and less than 9, inclusive of both 0 and 9, then what we will do, we will multiply 10 to it. I'll show you why. Because the answer of string 123 will be 123. 123. So if we minus 1 from 0, 1 from 0, so the answer will be 1. So we are storing answer as 1. And then we are going to 2. 2 minus 0 is also 2. So what we will do? We will multiply 1 by 10 and then plus 2. So the answer will be 12. And then what we will do? We will go to 3. 3 minus 0 in the form of string. So 3. So now what we will do? 12 into 10 plus 3, that is 123, which is our answer in the form of integer. Okay, so this is the logic. So we are multiplying 10 to the answer, and then we are adding the operation. And if an alphabet is present, then we have to return minus 1, or something else is present. Like we are not taking double digits, because the condition is the integer should be in between 0 to 9. So suppose the string is given as 1, a and 3. So we are subtracting 1 from 0, then the answer will be 1. And if we are subtracting a from 0, then ASCII value of a is, small a is 97. 97 minus 0 is not possible, because it is double digit. It does not lie in the range of 0 to 9. So we will return minus 1. and then simply we will return answer. And the main function I have taken string input, and then I have called the convert function. Let's run it. I'll input 1230 in the form of string, and the answer is 1230 in the form of string, in the form of integer.